What is going on, guys? Welcome to your second MySQL tutorial, and in this lesson we're going to be talking about MySQL servers. No more slideshows. It's time to get our hands dirty and start doing some stuff on the computer. So, like I said, the very first thing that you need in order to start practicing MySQL is a MySQL server. What this is a server with MySQL installed on it. So, if you're learning this because maybe your boss said, hey, you need to learn MySQL, or maybe you're at work and you're taking a class on databasing, then 99% of the time they already have a server with everything set up ready to go. The only thing that you need to know how to do is log in, and they're going to give you the login information. However, if you're just learning this at home because, I don't know, maybe you just want to learn about MySQL or learn how to make awesome websites, then you also need access to a MySQL server. Now, it isn't like you can just go look under your bed and find one laying around. It's not like a shoelace. You probably need to go Google web hosting companies. Basically, you need to find somewhere where you can access a server and install MySQL on it. Now, like I said, you can either Google server space and buy an account, then install it, or what you can do is you can just look for companies that offer MySQL already installed on the server. And it's not like this is an uncommon thing where you guys are going to have to search for hours. 90% of the companies already offer servers with MySQL installed on it. That's how common this is. The only thing that you need to know how to do is basically you're going to just need to create an account, log in, and you're going to be ready to go. Everything's going to be set up. Now, the company I recommend, if you guys don't have access to a server already and you need one, I'm going to recommend going through hostgator.com. And I don't say this because they pay me or anything, although I kind of wish they did. But this is an awesome company and they have all the tools, awesome support, and I just love them. I actually been with them for a long time, but I want to mention this. If you guys can find a free one, then I highly encourage that. And if anyone can actually find a free one, then go ahead and leave a comment below. Don't keep the secrets to yourself. Like I said, I'm always encouraging free schooling and education, especially when it comes to software. So, like I said, leave a comment below or on my forum, and I'm sure there are free ones out there. So, anyways, once you have a server set up, whether it's through your school or work or you have to buy one online, then what the heck do you do? Where are you supposed to start typing this SQL code? Well, there are a couple different places you can start practicing SQL, MySQL. Now, I want to mention this before you guys, get disappointed. If you are doing this through school, then your teacher is probably going to make you use some command line prompt that looks like this. Let me actually go. I typed in the wrong thing there. CMD. They're going to make you use a command prompt that looks like this. It kind of looks like you're programming the Matrix or something. I don't know why they do this. It's just torturing you guys. But anyways, whenever I was in college, that's what they made me do. Now, I'm going to be using a different tool that's a little bit prettier. Why? Well, first of all, because I'm not 60 years old and I don't want to use a tool that looks like this. But I want to mention that no matter what tool you use, you're going to be able to follow along with these tutorials just fine. So don't think just because I'm using a different tool, then you're not going to understand what's going on. The core language is basically the same no matter what tool you use. And for those of you who are wondering what tool I'm going to use, it's called PHPMyAdmin. Whenever you log into your account, it's going to be right there. So anyways, that's what tool I'm going to be using. And like I said, no matter how you log into your account, no matter where you get your server from, no matter what tool you use, you're going to be able to follow along with my tutorials just fine. So in the next tutorial, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating our very first database, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to import all of the tables that you need. And yes, I made them, and they're available for 100% free. Thank you very much. And I'm going to be showing you guys where to download them from my website and how to import them so you can follow along with my tutorials. But for now, thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to subscribe.